Hey guys, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quarantine photo ideas at home part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, I will link it over here so that you can watch that first and get back to this video. But in this video, I'm just going to share you just a small photography idea. But at the end, you will get good result that I can assure you. Just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Don't skip it. Okay guys, I will show you one image. That's the experiment we are going to do now. Okay. For that you need a glass of water and a little bit oil. I don't know you are seeing it. A little bit oil, okay? Hair oil, cooking oil, whatever it is, no problem. Okay, then I will show you how you can create that image. Before that, you need one more thing. You have to download a free wallpaper from your phone or desktop, like colorful wallpaper. Okay, colorful wallpaper. Okay, download it and open it on your phone. Okay, phone or tab, and what you have to do is keep this glass on top of your phone or tab. Just wait and see. Take some oil from this bowl and fill into the water like small drop. Okay, see right now the water is filled with oil. Okay, so take the spoon and what you have to do is just play with this oil like this and create some bubbles. Hey guys, I'm going to shoot it using Canon 50mm 1.8. I would suggest you to shoot it using macro lenses so that you will get a better picture. But as of now, I'm using 50mm. I don't have a better lens other than this. After shooting, I will edit it. I will crop it and I will show you the output. Fine guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will get notification from all my videos and we guys will keep in touch. Cheers guys, I will see you in the next video.